Analysis from none other than Sunita Reddy, Managing Director at Apollo Hospitals, who chatted with us after their Q3 performance.
Yes, I think, we have shown a slight margin improvement and we continue to show it. Currently, our healthcare services margin has grown from 17.7 to 18%. So I think we're slowly going to get back to a better margin trajectory. So the New Bombay facility is at an occupancy of 115 beds on 150 beds. We believe that they had a 10 crore EBITDA loss. They should reach EBITDA break even by the first quarter of the next year. The pharmacy grew at 13%, and this is after GST. So if you added back GST, SAP actually grew by 19%. Certainly, we are currently at 67% occupancy. Our new hospitals are at 58%. So we believe that, from hereafter we should be growing. You'll see with consolidation and greater focus on occupancy and ARPOB that this will flow down to EBITDA and PAT as well. And I think, within the system, because we know how to work the system well, we have an opportunity to fill another 5,000 beds, and therefore surely, opportunity to grow EBITDA and PAT. Well, price control is a concern, but the way that we think about healthcare pricing is that we are pricing a procedure and a service, much like, when you're an airline service. And when you do that, it's the value of the service that gets priced, and not really the inputs or the commodities that go into the entire service. Yes, considering the fact that we've added 600 new beds in Chennai cluster, we've seen a 5% growth, and volumes have also increased, resulting in an occupancy of close to 60%.